If you're excited to start watching all your favorite shows on Peacock TV but aren't sure how to log in, you're in the right place. Today we're going to walk you through the simplest steps to sign into the Peacock TV app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Peacock TV app installed on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Peacock TV and download it. Now, once the app is installed, you'll be greeted to the Peacock TV home screen. Sometimes Peacock TV might not be available in your region, so you can also go to their website, that is peacocktv.com, and on the home screen, tap on the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Enter the email address and password associated with your Peacock TV account. After entering your credentials, tap on Sign In. If your email and password are correct, you'll be logged in and taken to the main Peacock TV dashboard where you can start browsing and watching content. In case you've forgotten your password or are having trouble logging in, tap on Forget Password. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy all the great content Peacock TV has to offer.